One of the things that could go wrong with your Mega Drive is the reset button. Do you know why? Because you can't open up the tray of your Mega CD. Let's fix it.
Now, before we jump into the video, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to check us out on eBay at gamextc. You'll get valuable information on leveling up your video game hardware and software.
The first thing you want to do is unscrew the 6 screws located underneath the Mega Drive, and then you want to flip it over, take off the lid slowly and gently. On my initial inspection of the console, it doesn't look great inside, but I suppose the console is 30 plus years old. Carefully detach the LED from the Mega Drive. As you can see, there's a couple of things going on here. The volume button seems to be broken, there's something going on with the reset button which we're going to investigate a bit further, and it doesn't look like it's in good shape. Using a Phillips screwdriver, you then remove the 8 screws or the 11 screws depending on which version of the Mega Drive you have. Then you have to remove an additional 3 to 6 screws. So let's take a look at the reset button. As you can see, there's a lot of corrosion going on here, and someone thought putting paper over it will salvage it. Nah, don't think that actually works. But let's see what we can do. So let's start by desoldering the reset button. Let's take a closer look at this reset button. You can see that the leg's missing, there's some corrosion going on, so it needs to be nursed. In our other video, we do show you how to clean the reset button, but today, I'm just going to show you how to replace it. And the other thing is, when you're comparing time versus effort, it's actually cheaper, quicker, and easier to buy a replacement and install it. Simply place your 10mm 4-pin mini tactile push button switch into position. The link's in the description. Then you just solder it. It's as simple as that. Although the correct size for this tactile switch is in fact 10mm, I was struggling to find one of that size. So instead, I had to go for 12mm. And guess what? It worked fine. Now that's done, let's start putting everything back together and enjoy.